Hi, in this tutorial we will work on some of the steps for installing SciLab. So for that, the SciLab will be the software that we will using in this course. So you will have to install it in a computer that you have access. So this is the way that we will do it. You just gonna go on Google for that. So for that, we're gonna say SCI like science, LAB, and then we search, and the first result that we get from Google, SciLab Home, looks like that's the home page. So this is the page. So now what we want to do is to download that software, and then for that you need to find the specifications of this of your computer. Like in my case, for example, in my case, looking in the computer that I'm using here, it's not a good computer, but it seems that I have Windows 7 and it's a 64. So then this is the one that looks appropriate for me. So just click on that, and then you get a page that looks like this that you can just ignore. Just clicking and exiting out of this page. So it's just getting on top, and then I got this software right here. So I just click on this, and I will pass as needed. So just gonna show you, I'm gonna click on that, and then once I have that, I'm gonna show you what is it that I get. Mine is still downloading, so I just will pause till this is actually done. Okay, mine is done downloaded, so I will click on this and then just execute it. Select the language, then you accept it. Clicking next. Okay, so I will pause this again. I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's probably a minute or two. It doesn't take that long. Okay, mine is still installing, so I will still pause. It still is being about 50 seconds. Okay, it took about 10 minutes in this computer for the installation. So now I will click on finish and just wait for the software. Okay, seems that it's coming. Okay, now we have something that looks like this for the software. And if you remember, in the previous two tutorials we were practicing with matrices. So let's just explore a little bit and say, okay, variable A, and let's say that we actually store the metrics that we were using before. So it says equal, and then we say square brackets, and then the numbers I think that we got is 5, -1, and 2, and then this is the first row, and then we can put a semicolon, and then the other is a 6, a 0, and a 9, and then close the square bracket. That's my matrix A. If I say size of A, it says it's a 2 by 3. Then let's see if we can actually get an element from the matrix A. Let's see which one we get. 1, 1, and see this is valid. So that's 5. So let's see what happens if we say, let's move this, instead of 1 1, let's say it does a 0 0, like we do in most languages. Gives you an error. So just something to consider. So just like in mathematics, is the 1 1 the first element. Now something else that we want to install before I continue, here in the Windows version, which is the one that I'm using, you click on applications and then go where it says module manager. So you click on that and we will install a module, like a library for image, for computer vision, for image processing. So again, we will just wait for a little bit for this. It took about another 7 minutes to get the database for the modules. So now we need to look for the ones related with computer vision. Here it says image processing, so we click on that and then we get this, the one that says SciLab image and video processing toolbox. So we get this. So let me just minimize so you can see. So once I select it, so I select this and then I click where it says here install. So once it's done with the installation, look at how this change in color. The little folder that they have that now is green, and then there was a message there, I think it's gone when I click it, that says that I need to restart SciLab for the installation to be reflected, in this case the module. So I think there is a finish button, or so just click on this and I will restart SciLab. So this is right here, so I think I will type exit. Okay, so I will start SciLab again. I'm still waiting. Okay, so now it's loading, and now look that when it loads it shows this as a DP, which is the module. Now something that we can test, that we can actually now do the manipulation with images. So for that, let's say that we're gonna have IM image 1 equals, and then we're gonna say IM read, which is image read, and then I open parentheses, a single quote, and I need the location of an image. So I will copy and paste the location of one of the images. So this is what I did. I went to my pictures folder and I opened an image, and then I right click on properties to copy the location, and then this is the location. Now I need to add the name of the picture. So this is backslash, I think it's desert dot jpg, close the quote, close the parenthesis, semicolon, hit enter. So now I have an image and it's represented by a matrix. So I am 1. If I hit enter, it's going to show me all the numbers that are there. You see this is a huge matrix, so this is very big. I'm going to hit Control Z to stop it. Okay, so now let's see that I want to go and check the size. Okay, so we'll say size. I'm just resizing the screen because for the video. So size of I am 1. So it's a three-dimensional array. So it's a 768 by 1024, and it has 3 dimensions, 3 layers. So let's see if I want to show my image. So I say I am show, SHOW, and then I want MI1, and then hit enter, and you don't see the whole image on my screen, but this is what I have, which is represented in that variable. And I think for now this concludes the installation. So be sure that you got the software and that you got the right module, and on the next class we're gonna work a little further with the software. Thank you.